Hello, everyone. I'm Emily, and welcome to Learn with Amna.
Hi, friends. I'm Alex, and I'm so happy to see you here today.
Alex, it feels amazing to be back with our friends and teach English together.
Absolutely, Emily. I always love these moments when we can make learning fun and easy for beginners.
Today, we have something very special for you. How to learn English with ChatGPT in just 100 days using a simple 4-step daily method.
Yes, even if your English is very slow or you're starting from zero, you can follow this method easily.
So, friends, grab a cup of tea, sit comfortably, and let's begin our magical English journey together.
Let's do this.
Many people feel shy, scared, or nervous when speaking English, and that is completely normal.
Yes, speaking a new language can feel scary, but ChatGPT becomes your safe, friendly, patient practice partner.
Friends, ChatGPT is like a teacher, a friend, and a practice partner, all in one.
The best part is, it never judges you, never laughs at you, and is always there to help.
You can speak slowly, very slowly, and ChatGPT will still understand you perfectly.
Even if you speak one word at a time, it will respond and guide you in a friendly way.
So, today, we'll show you a 4-step method to learn English in 100 days, step by step.
Let's start with step 1.
Step 1 is simple. Talk to ChatGPT for just 10 minutes every day.
Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just 10 minutes is enough if you are consistent.
Let's see a mini example. You can write to ChatGPT, "Hi, I want to practice English. Please speak slowly."
ChatGPT will reply slowly and clearly. For example, "Sure. How is your day today?"
Then you can answer something simple like, "My day is good. I am learning English."
ChatGPT will respond with small corrections or new questions, so your English improves every day.
Friends, tell us in the comments if you can practice 10 minutes every day. Yes or no?
We believe you can do it. Consistency is more powerful than long sessions once in a while.
Step 2 is one of my favorites because it's easy and fun. Learn 5 new English words every day.
Ask ChatGPT, "Teach me 5 new English words with simple examples and speak slowly."
ChatGPT will give you words with examples you can easily understand.
For example, word 1, simple. This lesson is simple.
Word 2, daily. I study English daily.
Word 3, improve. I want to improve my English.
Word 4, habit. Learning English is my habit.
Word 5, practice. I practice English with ChatGPT.
If you do this every day for 100 days, your vocabulary will grow incredibly fast.
By day 100, you could know hundreds of new words and feel much more confident speaking.
Step 3 is very important. Write a tiny message to ChatGPT about your day using 3 simple sentences.
For example, you can write, "I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work."
ChatGPT will correct your mistakes gently and give the correct version, like, "I woke up early. I ate breakfast. I went to work."
This way, you learn grammar naturally and see your mistakes in a friendly way.
Even writing just 3 sentences every day will make your English much better after 100 days.
Small steps every day lead to big results, friends. Remember that.
Step 4 is the most fun. Speaking with ChatGPT using voice or text for pronunciation practice.
Tell ChatGPT, please ask me one question at a time and speak slowly.
ChatGPT will ask simple questions like, "How are you today?" And you can answer slowly. "I am good. I feel happy."
It will then give corrections or suggestions in a gentle, beginner-friendly way.
You can practice daily, and gradually your speaking becomes natural and confident.
Even small improvements every day add up to amazing results in 100 days.
Friends, if you're enjoying this lesson and want more simple, fun English learning videos, please subscribe to Learn with Amna.
Subscribing helps us make more videos for you and keeps you motivated to practice every day.
And don't forget to comment below which step you're most excited to try today.
Imagine this. Day 1. Your English is slow and you feel shy.
Day 20. Your confidence starts to grow and you begin to understand simple sentences.
Day 40. You can write small paragraphs and speak with more ease.
Day 60. Your sentences become smoother and you recognize hundreds of words.
Day 80. Your speaking becomes natural and you feel proud of yourself.
Day 100. Your English has improved dramatically and you feel confident, happy, and ready to speak with anyone.
Step 1. Talk to ChatGPT for 10 minutes every day.
Step 2. Learn 5 new words with examples every day.
Step 3. Write 3 simple sentences to ChatGPT and correct mistakes.
Step 4. Practice speaking and pronunciation with ChatGPT daily.
Friends, learning English is not hard if you take small steps every day with love, patience, and practice.
You don't have to be perfect. Just start, be consistent, and enjoy the journey.
We believe in you, and we're proud of every step you take.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Learn with Amna.
And watch our next video for your next step in English learning. See you soon, friends. Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Bye!
Bye!